Was thinking about the question, is there a need to rebuild yourself after trauma? It's an interesting question, isn't it? Because after the trauma, what needs to be rebuilt? You're you're who you always were. So isn't it a matter of asking yourself, why am I holding on to the story of trauma? And then the next question, how am I holding on to the story of trauma? And those two questions can show us how we're feeding the emotional body, because a thought is just a thought. This happened, full stop, end of sentence. Or a thought is more than a thought if you continue the sentence. This happened, so I feel like, and because I feel like that, I'm doing this, and that causes us to go seeking for that rebuilding, that I've got to make myself better than what I was so that nothing like that ever happens again. How how can you reframe that for yourself? Is it possible to make the statement, this happened, and then full stop, and then be aware how you're defining it, how you're expanding the experience? Because once you have that noticing, then you can choose. Then you're in that space of, oh, I see how I'm expanding the story. And now there's a realization where the story can continue to be expanded, or the story can just be done. Realizing we have choice feels really powerful. That's prioritizing our sovereignty. That's remembering what we are. We have this capability to choose where we're going to invest our vibrational currency, our energetic currency. We can choose that. Do I want to invest my energetic currency in this expanding story of that? Or am I ready to stop spending my energetic currency on that and simply rest as what I am, the effortless, impersonal, sovereign being that I am? Let me know what your thoughts are on that. Let me know if you see some type of past experience in a different way when you think about it that way. In the meantime, this is Nancy Muller, the one and only Life Sensei, saying ciao for now.